Hi everyone, very good morning. In the lecture series, today we're going to discuss the big data. In the lecture series, we start with the introduction to big data. Uh, let's go with our course that is big data analytics. Start with the introduction to big data. In day-to-day life, we can consider a day in your life. There are so many questions we are generally having, right? So answer all the solutions to the problems will be very complex. In a normal human being, they can have plenty of problems and solutions. They have to take decision daily. Think. Before they have to take decision, right? So in day-to-day life, similar to the industry, we have the plenty of data created daily. So in the data where are everywhere. For example, here minute per every minute we have generating a plenty of data, right? So for example, Google is creating receive more than 4 lakhs of data. Your Facebook, Tinder, WhatsApp, Twitters, and these are social media creating every minute the plenty of gigabytes of data by the users enter the globe. So in the internet world, we have the more number of data can be uh, generated every minute. So consider a day. So there are plenty of data can be where so data will be everywhere. In the slide we can able to see where the, for example, Amazon makes $83,000 in an online sales. For example, in the Apple users can download 48,000 in the Play stores. So for example, Skype, these are the some datas where presented in the advert. For example, YouTube, there are 72 hours of new videos uploaded for every hour. There are plenty of data. YouTube videos can be uploaded in YouTube per minute or per hour per day. So users may be plenty. So data are everywhere. So here we going to see uh, big data. What is big data? So big data can be a large number of data. We call this big data. It can be created with the help of microphones, with the help of my mobile devices, then other software program, then camera, sensors, then business, social media, etc. So these kinds of data can be large number of data that we call as big data. So from the industry purpose, we can have scanners, readers. From that also we can get the data. So IoT devices, sensors, daily using mobile phones, cameras, and other softwares, any other programs. For example, the business transactions, banking transactions, in your online shopping data, web data. These are the some big data, right? So more number of data, large volume of data generated day to day life, so that we call as big data. What can I do with this data? So with the help of this data, we can have the aggregation statistics, data warehouse, and OLAP can have the take new concepts involved in the DBMS. So we can easily aggregate the statistics with the help of these data can be uh, easily retrieved with the help of these technologies. So indexing, searching, and querying. With the help of index searching, we can with the value of index value, we can search the keyword and we can retrieve the data very easily. So this kind of knowledge discovery, data mining, and statistical modeling, these kind of data can be with the help of OLAP, XML, RDF, knowledge discovery, we can analyze and retrieve the data easily in a huge database management system. In a huge database storage area, we can retrieve these easy data. So analyze data using algorithms, right? So we can analyze the data with the main idea behind this, to analyze the data using algorithm. You have to analyze the data because data analysis plays important role to for the help. For example, we can consider the Amazon. They can analyze the data with the help of analysis, how the customer, what the customer expecting to purchase. So from the previous searching history, they can have the customer target. They can easily target the customer to sell the products. So analyzing the data only The main idea is to analyze the data. It can be improve the business in the various domains. So we can discuss in the letter. So here analyzing the data using algorithm is very important. So what is big data? Examining large volume of data by choosing appropriate information, that is we call as big data. Transform raw data into a business intelligence goal. So identification of potential hidden pattern and unknown correlation. So better business decision making can be taken with the help of big data. By analyzing the data, we can take a better decision. So and also effective marketing tools, increase customer satisfaction. We can have the increased customer satisfaction. Like these kinds of data can be um, useful for better development of the business and also better decision making. So main and also we can analyzing different appropriate information to the appropriate person with the help of these analytical data, right? So why big data? Why big data is a collection of data sets large and complex. So there are plenty of data available. So make of use every increased volumes of data. It is difficult to process using hands-on database management system. So already in the previous traditional database management system, it is very difficult to process in a single management system. So big data, with the help of big data tools, we can easily handle the large number of data. Network capability, new business venture can be increased. Then increase of power, processing power, storage capacity, that can be done only with the help of big data. So this is a big data process for a business understanding is the first thing. The next is the data understanding. Then after the data understanding, data preparation and taken place is the third process. After coming to the fourth process, it is a modeling. We could see the modeling can be important thing. Then after modeling, we can have evaluation. Then after evaluation, we can have the finally deployment. Then the next business understanding will take place. So this is about the business process. There are big data characteristics available: volume, velocity, variety, and different kinds of v's available. First one is volume, velocity, variety. This is a big data characteristics, main characteristics. We can have the five v's that we discussing. First v is volume, velocity, variety, velocity and variety. The third is veracity and variability and complexity. So these are the some big data characteristics we are going to have. So in the big data characteristics, first volume, have the data quantity. Social network, smartphones, these are the different kinds of volume of data produced by the different devices. The velocity is how much speed of data generation, sensors, online, machine to machine, stock trading. Then click streams on the YouTube, we can click and we see the videos. And speed of data. So this is a velocity. Variety is different types of data. For example, structured data, unstructured data, log files, text files, geospatial files, audio and visual files, etc. These are the variety. The veracity is a massive truthness. Veracity is nothing but the truthfulness of data. Some data will be a fake data, some data will be a exact data. So truthful, finding the trust, we can make trust on the data. That is a veracity. Variability is a inconsistency of data. Then complexity is the data from different sources. So that is a complexity. So that's all about the big data introduction part. We have covered majorly about what is big data and what is different V's and available in the big data, and also the characteristics. In the next lecture series, we can see the what is the big data challenges and what are the characteristics and what are the issues, what are the terminologies used in the big data. We can see in the next session. Thank you.